Have you ever wondered why your knuckles crack? Many people think it's the bones actually cracking, but that's not the case. Inside our joints, there's a special lubricant called synovial fluid, which contains gases like oxygen and nitrogen. When you stretch or bend your fingers, you pull the joint apart, creating a negative pressure inside. This pressure causes tiny gas bubbles to form rapidly, and when these bubbles pop or dissolve, that's the signature cracking sound you hear. So, it's not your bones breaking, but a fascinating process happening right inside your joints. This simple explanation helps clear up a common myth and shows just how amazing our bodies really are.